another Spanish Academy. Today we are going to learn the alphabet in Spanish. Now let's start with this class. First, I will say to you how the vowel and the consonant sounds, and later I will give you a keyword to practice your pronunciation. So here we go. Our Spanish alphabet starts with the vowel A. It is the A. Can you repeat with me? A. And the keyword is amor. Amor. Then B. B. Keyword barco. Barco. Another one. C. C. Cama. Cama. D. D. Dedo. Dedo. E. E. Eso. Eso. F. F. Foca. Foca. G. G. Gato. Gato. H. H. Hola. Hola. I. I. Isla. Isla. J. J. Jarro. Jarro. K. K. Kilo. Kilo. L. L. Loro. Loro. Fine. Now let us repeat once again only the letters and a little bit faster. Okay? Let's do that. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. Y L. L. Very good. Okay, here, if you realized, every consonant has the sound E, which is the vowel E in English. So, for example, if we say B, in Spanish we say B, B. Or for example, if we have the consonant D, D, in Spanish we say D. Okay, remember this thing. Now, if you want to start to read, you have to know the consonant C. Okay, the consonant C. This consonant has different pronunciation according which vowel is after this consonant. Okay, for example, if the vowel is A or O or U, the sound will be Ka, Ko, Ku. Ka, Ko, Ku. But if the vowel after this consonant is A or E, we will pronounce C, C. For example, in the first case, we say cama, cama, coco, coco, cubo, cubo. The sound is like a K, okay? And the second case is celeste, celeste, cielo, cielo. Okay guys, now our time is finished. So if you want to learn the second part of this Spanish alphabet, you can find that video in our description. So thank you for today. I hope to see you in our next class. Bye!